The worst has happened, you're a victim of art theft, and you're wondering what you can do about it. Well, stay tuned, I will help you out. So, if you are a victim of art theft, you found your work being sold online without your permission, there are a number of things that you can do to fix that. The first thing is always try to contact the seller individually because they might actually not know. It has happened before where people are given your file and they don't necessarily know that they're not allowed to sell it. So always contact the seller, ask them where they got it from, all this stuff. Ask them to take it down. Usually that helps. And you might even find out where they got it from, and in which case, then you can send a complaint to the people who sold it to them. Number 2, if you made that artwork and it's yours, even if it's something like a fan art of something, you still drew it, you still made it. If you drew something and someone is selling it without your permission, congratulations, you get to flex your copyright powers. You get to go to whatever platform they're selling it on. Say, for example, Etsy, which this happens a lot. Someone on Etsy is selling your artwork on something that they printed. I don't know. You tried to contact the seller and it didn't work out. What can you do? What are your options? Thankfully, pretty much every website has like a report this page or report this listing feature. So all you have to do is go into the little thing like report or like put in feedback for that listing. Etsy will ask you what the problem is, or whatever platform it is will ask you what the problem is, and you say it's infringing on your copyright. It'll ask you some details like give us proof that it's yours, etc., which is really easy. You just basically like link them to your website and be like, hey, this is mine. And voila. Give it like at least 1 or 2 business days and it'll usually be taken down. Basically, you just have to make it so hard for them to sell your work that they don't want to steal from you anymore. And that's my advice, guys. I hope it was helpful. Down below, I have a link to an Amazon storefront, basically, that lists all of the things that I like to use myself when I'm making artwork. And if you're interested or you know an artist who's looking for like a birthday gift or something, highly recommend those things down there. They are really good. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that like button. It helps YouTube tell everyone else that it's worth watching and it's worth listening to. It's good advice. And if you're new here, please smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and I will see you next week.